Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Bungle Collects. So I've got a discount Tosha Cat and some Olympic coins for less than a tenner on eBay. It's hidden away in this underneath this sheet of paper, this magazine. So let's get in and have a look. Right, so here's the magazine. This gives you a clue as to where I got it from. I believe it's in Portuguese, although I can't be absolutely certain. But I was on eBay and I bought 4 coins from eBay. Came from Portugal, just under a tenner, and in here is a discount Tosha Cat. So let's have a look at what I've got in here. And we're not interested in the detergents and the fairy liquid or what have you. We're interested in these 4 coins here. So one's a Tosha. Well, I say Tosha. I think discount is probably the best way of saying it. A poor man's Tosha Cat, shall we say? So yes, whatever. I've got 4 reals, and reals are from Brazil, worth 14 pence, and it is a Brazilian 2016 Rio coin. There is the sport of boxing. Smashing, you see the Rio logo there. Got another one here, and we'll come back to this little fella in a minute. We've got swimming or aquatics. Look at that. And this is the coin that you've all been waiting for. So anybody who collects the Tosha Cat or dreams of owning a Tosha Cat from the Isle of Man, here is the Brazilian equivalent of it. Look at that little fella. Absolutely amazing. So he is the mascot for the Olympic Games in Rio 2016, and his name is Vinicius. And yes, I had to write that down phonically so I could pronounce it. So he's a discount. He's a poor man's Tosha Cat from the Isle of Man. I think I can probably only dream of owning a Tosha Cat, because I suppose if I had 200 quid plus to spare, I'd probably invested into a Blue Peter 2009 with 50 pences. I don't think I'd ever have the funds to spend big money on a £2 coin. So I think this is the closest that I'll get to it. So just a bit of fun. I actually saw these on a Facebook group. Someone had said that they'd bought one at a poor man's Tosha Cat, and I thought I'm going to have to get some of that. So it was just under 10 quid, including postage from Portugal. It's 1 real. A real is worth 14 pence. So it's certainly, from a face value point of view, I've overpaid from a face value point of view. But tell me that is not cool. You know, that's the closest I'm ever going to come to owning one, I think. So let's go back to this fella. So this is the mascot from the Paralympic Games. See a slightly different logo. See, you got the logo of Rio on the left, of the Olympic Games, and the Paralympic Games on the right. So this guy is Vinicius, and this guy is, hang on, let me just get this right and make sure I pronounce this correctly. His name is Tom. So what a difference. So this guy's to do all things Brazil, all things natural, like plantage, foliage, shrubbery, etc. And that's what he was designed on. So tell me there is not 2 cooler coins. And they say for about 4.5 quid for them two. Absolutely class, I think. So they did 16 coins in total, the Brazilians, for Rio, and I've only got the 4. Got boxing there, and like I say, swimming or aquatics. Wonderful coins, mainly made of stainless steel, 7 grams, so it's lighter than a £2, and it feels a lot lighter. It's supposed to be 7 grams. Oops, wrong orientation. Start again, bungle. There we go. Medal orientation, I would call that. So it's like a medal hanging on your lapel, and then you look up. You imagine that's hanging on your chest like that, and then you look at it and go, oh yeah, it's the right way up. So I call it medal orientation. Not sure that's exactly right. And you flip it over. You do a flip. What am I talking about? Anyway, so there's Brazil. 16 in total with all the different sports on. So not quite as big as our Olympic set for 29 plus a complete medal. But still pretty cool. Really light, thin. Feels like toy money really. Oh, I've done it again. They've all got this $1 real symbol on the back. And that's it. What do I know about Brazilian currency? Well, it came out in 1994, this version of the currency. And they made this commemorative set in 2016. And there we go. So let's have one more final look at the clickbait for this video. And there he is, Vinictus the cat. So if you have got a Tosha Cat, you've done well. 2011 coin from the Isle of Man, and it was for the youth games. It was Commonwealth Youth Games, I think. Anyone who does know is an interesting fact. Tosha Cat. Tosha is first in Manx, as in from the Isle of Man. Manx is first. So he's the first cat of the first youth Commonwealth Games. Bit of info for you, bit of useless information, maybe. So there it is, Brazil. I'm sure you agree it's awesome. I now wish I got the entire set because I think they're cool. I'm going to stick these in my in my album. It'll go probably in. Let's have a little zoom out. Probably in this one, I think. I tell you what, let me just get rid of the wrapper. No one wants to see how much fairy liquid costs in Portugal, do they? Does anybody care how much shampoo is? There we go. They're so light. Only 7 grams, so a little bit lighter than 50 pence. 12 grams is a normal £2 coin. It obviously feels really, really light. So it's probably going to go on this one. So this is my, well, this is Lady M's page for the Christmas coins. But I've got a little bit of a theme here because these are the Island Games from Gibraltar. So it's kind of Olympic-y, sporty. And then we've got some Isle of Man here. So I might just stick them in the bottom of there, maybe, I think, on that page. Not quite sure. I'll stick them in to show you where. Could go on there. Got territories, mind. I'll find somewhere nice and show you in a minute. So I've decided to put them on page 3. So after the Christmas coins and the Island Games coins, it's going in there, nice little corner, my little corner of Brazil. They might get moved if I get more of the Isle of Man territories, but I think they look pretty darn cool in my album. Right, I'm all done. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Also, have I pronounced Tosha Cat right? Let me know if I haven't. Right, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.